What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Fatal Fury City of the Wolves on PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now once you have done that, we need to locate this game first on Steam before we can proceed to another website to download this game. So go to the Steam website. After that we need to search up the game Fatal Fury City of the Wolves. Select the game, after that scroll a little bit down and then you will find the game for €59.99. If you ask me, that is quite expensive for a game. So what we are going to do is use the workaround we have and open the video description. Click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage. Now what we need to do next is search for the same game, Fatal Fury City of the Wolves, and search for it. Now select the games on the left side, after that sort by price lowest first, and you will find out that this game is much cheaper on this website. So what you need to do is select a PC version which can be activated in our country, so this text needs to be marked green, and then select it. Now once you have selected it, you will find out that this game is available for just €40.07 compared to the price of €59.99. So what we need to do is purchase this game through this website, and you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key for Steam or a completely new Steam account to download this game completely legit on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!